Okay, oh, that's the worst circle ever. Just pretend it's decent. Okay, so these are chords. Chords are lines that pass on the inside of a circle where their endpoints are on the circle. Technically, a diameter is a chord. It's just a chord that happens to pass exactly through the center. So neither of these chords pass through the center, but either way. So the rule for these is whenever they are intersect like this, it divides each chord into pieces. So let's say this is A and B, and then this one is C and D. So the formula is actually A times B equals C times D. So if they actually gave me numbers for this instead of letters, so let's say that instead of this, they give me 6, 2, and 12, then 6 times B has to equal 2 times 12. So that means B is 4 because that's 24. So that's the chord thing. Now let me give you the other two because there are also, oh, sorry, I forgot to use my finger. All right, so there's also, you mentioned tangents. So there's a circle with a tangent line. That means pretend that's a tangent line. It just barely touches the circle. And then a secant. Now, this little portion of the secant, if I stopped it right here, from here to here, is also a chord. But because it extends outside the circle, it's considered a secant. It has a formula also, because this is separated into pieces. So that's A and B, and then we'll call the tangent C. So the formula for this is, I'll write it out in math formulas, but I usually, when I used to teach geometry, I just taught it in normal English terms. So it's outside piece times whole secant equals tangent squared. So technically, mathematically, it's B times A plus B equals C squared. And again, you just plug in numbers and do the algebra. So it's pretty easy if you know the formula. And then we have if there are two secants. So let's say it would look like this. So I've got two secants, same thing, it divides it into pieces. So like this is A, B, C, and D. And it is just outside piece times whole secant equals outside piece times whole secant. So again, you just plug in the numbers and do the algebra. So once you know the formula, these are really easy.